Ito, nagde-dessert naman ako ng cookies. This is my personalized pizza using steak and flatbread with cheese, olive, black olives, green peppers, onions, and sliced tomatoes. Oh my gosh. I'm start to, watery my mouth. So the sauce on it, I put some chipotle sauce, sweet onion, barbecue, a little bit mustard, and a little bit mayo. They are all just, I put a little bit each of the sauces. So let's try now our new personalized steak pizza with flatbread. Okay. Yesterday I tried pepperoni and it's really good. This one, we're going to try something new, steak. Only at Subway. Oh my god, it's so hot. Let's try. Guys, break time ko na naman. Today is pumasok ako ng alas 4 hanggang alas 11. 7 hours din. Tapos na akong kumain ng sandwich. Ginawa ko lang. Flatbread naman ako ngayon. Tapos steak. Tapos ito, nagde-dessert naman ako ng cookies. Pampabalan. Grabe ang lakasan ng snow dito. Kaya yung mga dito, yung mga store, restaurant, mahina na, kumbaga, slow. Hi guys, this is Ate Shweta, my coworker. She is Indian. So, she's almost done. Like 8 p.m. today. She will leave me alone. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Hi! Mamap na si ate. So, yun siya, nagmamap na siya dun. Paalis na siya eh. Sobrang putik kasi pag winter. Oh my goodness! Super putik. Tapos yun, iiwanan niya na ako. Bago siyang malis, iiwanan niya ng malinis. Lahat. So, ako gawin ko na lang is customer. Then, close the till, close the store. And check everything na close, ganun. Closing nga eh, di ba? Yeah, she's done na. She make everything okay before she go and live with me. Leave me alone. Yeah. Ate is done. Thank you, ate. Bye. Bye, ate. Thank you. At ayun na nga guys, walang katao-tao. Kanina pa ako nakaupo dito. Na nga, 3 hours akong mag-isa kasi umalis na ng alas 8 yung kasama ko. Tapos, alas 11 ang sarado ng store. Okay naman kami dito, hati-hati kami ng trabaho, unlike dati. Ngayon okay naman. maybe on the phone ko ba? No, you know? We don't have just a regular white milk.
Yeah.
Anything else? Just one drink. One drink. Okay. 37.90 please. Do you need the receipt, sir?
Please.
And if you need napkins, it's right here. Have a good night. Thank you. Ano nga guys, nag-serve ako ng 3 customer. Lapit na ako magsara. 9 minutes na lang, and then sasara na ako ng store. Pag gulay na yan, tatakpan ko na yan. May bumili pa, isang matanda, pero may oras pa naman siya, 6 minutes. Kaya pinagbigyan ko. And then, 1 minute na lang magsasara na ako. Bigay pa siya ng $2 tip. Gantay na lang ako ng close, ng oras, 1 minute. Ebe na.